Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by making the wall safe and accessible. Turn off the circuit for any outlets you'll work near, then remove plates. Lay down drop cloths and tape edges. This keeps cleanup fast. Now test a seam. Spray water or a wallpaper remover. If paper peels easily, you're on a simple track. If not, don't waste time. Get a scorer and prepare a steamer or a concentrated remover solution. Once ready, move immediately into opening the adhesive so you can strip efficiently. You attack the middle of the job by loosening the glue. Score the surface lightly or apply steam to a 2 to 3 foot section until the paste softens. This prevents tearing and gouging. Hold the scraper at a shallow angle and pull the paper back with steady, even motion. Don't rip. Once sections come off, keep the wall damp and reapply steam or remover to stubborn patches. This saves time and preserves drywall. When adhesive thins, scrape residual backing gently to avoid damage. You finish by removing remaining paste and restoring the surface. Wash walls with warm water and a sponge. Use a mild TSB mix for stubborn glue, then rinse. Once dry, sand any raised areas, fill gouges with joint compound, and sand smooth. Make sure to prime before paint so adhesives don't bleed through. If a patch refuses to release, reapply steam for 5 to 10 minutes rather than scraping harder. This is the key troubleshooting tip, because heat and moisture.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.